No, we are in a sushi bar. And this is the menu.
This green tea is $0. Why?
Okay, that's free.
Yeah, that's free.
Oh.
And tuna roll is $1.
Cucumber roll.
Cucumber roll $1. Large roll $2.
Plain tuna.
Plain tuna $5.
Salmon.
$3. Shrimp $3.
Omelette.
$2.
And a salmon roll.
Salmon roll
$5. Oh, what are you gonna order ulit, Daddy? You ask your customer, anak.
Cucumber roll.
Thank you. Yeah, make one. Here's the...
What? Ang liit!
this one, oh. No, I mean this one. Yeah. That's a gift. How many, Daddy? Ask mo si Daddy how many cucumber rolls.
How many?
Two cucumber.
I'll get... Ano, this one?
Ano ba?
Oh, that's salmon yan.
Ano pa ulit?
Two cucumber. Cucumber.
What else?
What else? Oh,
Tuna roll.
ha?
Tuna roll.
Tuna roll.
Tuna roll pa siya.
This one.
Large roll pala siya.
Large roll. How many large rolls?
$2. $2.
What else, Daddy?
Ano pa, sir?
Large roll.
Ha?
Large roll.
Yeah. Give that. You want a tea?
Yes.
Make Daddy a tea. This is a Japanese cup of tea. Yeah. Pour some tea for Daddy.
Right roll.
Oh. How about we make some omelette? Rice
I want this.
and omelette.
I want to drink this. I want to eat that.
Hmm?
No, pretend lang.
It's supposed to be rice first, and then you put the topping. And you can give it to Daddy.
I want it.
There's more of
I want this.
yeah.
I want this.
Uh-huh. How about Daddy will serve you?
Yes, yes, I want that. Dad, I want this one. Ano ba to?
That's a salmon roll.
Where is it?
$5.
Bakit ganyan? Wala.
This is the soy sauce if you need.
Mami, parang uniform ito. Parang uniform. Ang school uniform. But can I wear this when Daddy's serving me?
Yeah. Daddy, ikaw naman magsaserve. She's gonna order. What's gonna be your order, anak? So Daddy can serve.
Salmon roll.
Salmon roll.
It's missing one.
And salmon.
Say konnichiwa.
Aya, isyo.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Aragsayo.
Can you make it quick, Daddy? Charot lang. Oh, order mo. You have to order it all so you can taste it all.
Ano order mo?
Gusto ko salmon, tapos salmon roll,
Ilan?
tapos shrimp.
It's roll. Salmon roll.
Roll. Roll.
Salmon?
Salmon roll. Tapos salmon, tapos shrimp roll.
Isang shrimp?
For the sushi.
Salmon, shrimp, salmon roll.
Salmon roll, tsaka sa shrimp.
And then,
And then, salmon roll.
Tapos rice. Ay, di.
Madadamihan kasi. Parang
May chopsticks ba dito?
wala po, ma'am.
oh, wala po, darling.
Di ba kapay?
Yeah.
Drinks.
We only serve tea.
Usually serve tea.
Oo, 50 euro shekels. Let's go! Let's go! Konnichiwa!
Ano pa order?
Sige ah.
Does it taste yummy? You have to eat it. How does it taste?
Good.
Ito isa na yun.
Can you rate Daddy's service from 1 to 10? 1,000 over 1,000. Yay! Okay, goodbye. Say goodbye.